Hey guys, this is Paul here, aka Paulabusa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna review some of the Ducky keyboards that we have purchased all the way from Taiwan. I recently went on a trip and decided to pick 3 of those keyboards up. Basically the Ducky Zero, the Ducky Shine 3, as well as the Shine 4. Before we start the video, I just want to do a quick disclaimer. This channel is not a tech channel. I am not a tech guy, so my reviews may not be the best, so cut me some slack. This channel is about getting good deals and getting the best products for good prices. So if the deal is good but the product is bad, I let you know. I get cheated, so you guys don't. And also, I am not affiliated with any of the sellers that I have purchased from for all my videos. So this is what the channel is about. So let's get down to it. Now, before we begin, why do you purchase Ducky mechanical keyboards from Taiwan? Now let me tell you, all the keyboards ranges from about 40 to 50 Singapore dollars cheaper when you purchase it in Taiwan, given the exchange rate. And although you lose the international 1-year warranty, you get 1-year local warranty in Taiwan. Normally they don't spoil in a year, so I would rather take the chances and save myself 40-50 bucks. What you see here is the Ducky Zero. It's the most basic mechanical keyboard that Ducky has. It's a full keyboard, and I bought this to be used in the office. This is my first mechanical keyboard, and it's non-backlighted. There are no lights, very subtle, which I like for the office. These are blue switches, the Cherry MX blue switches, and they come, as you can see, I've already fixed them up. They come with the WASD pink covers. Actually, they look quite cool, but I'm not too sure if it's suitable for a guy. Otherwise, it's a pretty basic keyboard, no lights. It doesn't even have a detachable USB cable. It's just attached on it, and this is how it looks like. I've got this for about 80 Singapore dollars. If you buy it in Singapore, it's going to cost around $120 to $130. For 80 bucks to be used in the office for office work, I figured, you do the most typing in the office, so that's the best place to have a mechanical keyboard. I'm not a hardcore gamer, so that's why I buy this. And of course, it also comes with a cap remover, Ducky style. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and it's pretty cute. Yeah, I can tell you, for the Shine 3 and Shine 4, you get a wired cap removers. Those are much more cooler, but I do like this. This is a cute little Ducky. So basically that's it. That's the Ducky Zero, 80 bucks mechanical keyboard. Let's move on to the more advanced models. So right now, let's do a comparison mainly between the Shine 3 and 4, as they are the closest versions. One is the previous generation, and one is the latest generation, which the functions are mostly similar now that we are done with the basic Ducky Zero. Now the Shine 3 costs about 130 Singapore dollars in Taiwan. If you buy it here in Singapore, it's going to cost you $180, about $170, $180. So that's the price difference. What I've got here is the Shine 3 keyboard with the Cherry MX red switches, with back the red backlit LEDs. So as you can see here, it comes with a snake spacebar. This is the year of the snake edition, 2013, I believe. And of course, the package also comes with the WASD red caps. We can fix them on, as well as wire cap remover, something like this. This would be much more easier to remove the caps, personally I feel. And this is the Ducky brand cap remover, of course with the USB cable. Now this one of course is detachable, and the Shine Tree does have a detachable USB with the ability to route your cables. They have a routing, some sort of a routing plastic here. You can route the cable whichever you want. Of course the flaps here to elevate your keyboard, standard as per most keyboards. What I like about the Duckies is you do not need any of any software to control the lighting system. Everything is on board the keyboard itself, which cleverly uses a function button to adjust everything. I'm tons of videos out there on the keyboards. I'm not going to go through or teach you how to use the keyboard, but I'll just quickly show you what kind of modes they have. So let me just quickly go through everything and show to you all the modes. So this is no lights at all. Okay, let's go with the first mode, which is full backlight. Every LED is lit. Of course you can control the brightness accordingly to your needs. I'm just gonna show you the second mode, which is this is the breathing mode. Of course you can also control the speed. You can see it's actually dimming and getting brighter, dimming. You can control the speed. Let's speed it up a little. Now it's breathing heavily. Yeah. Okay, let's go to mode number 3. And this is the wave. So let's slow it down a little so you can see the transition. Yes, left to right, left to right. That's the wave mode. And now we have the snake mode, where it goes around and around. Yeah, that's the snake mode. And let's go to the next mode, and this will be the reactive mode. You need to turn the lights down in order to see. So let's just off this and only react to the keys that you press. Let's go to the next mode. Turn the lights up a bit. This would be the ripple mode, which is one of my favorites. Yes, when you press, reacts entire, it goes through to the entire keyboard. Yes, 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 yes. Very nice, but the problem is when you type too fast, it looks like hell. Yes. Okay, let's go to the next mode. This would be the Aurora. Yes, Aurora mode. It only flashes on the single line. Yes. And all this you can adjust the speed, you can adjust the brightness of the LED. So let's go to the next mode. I believe it will be off. So these are all the modes available, all controlled via your keyboard. You can even save to a profile, which keys you want lighted. All this can be done with the keyboard. Very good, because there is no software required at all. That's what I love about the Ducky keyboards. I also forgot to mention one thing. It does come with a spacebar, a blank spacebar. In case you don't like the snake, you can always change it to the Ducky spacebar, included in the package. And that's the Shine Tree for you. Personally, I don't like too many freaky lights. I do like the breathing mode. It keeps the keyboard lighted. I need a keyboard that is lit at night, so I can use it in the dark. If you keep it in other modes, you may only see certain keys, or you can't see the keyboard at all until you press it. So I like the breathing mode. That's one of my favorite, and how I keep my keyboard in use. So that's the Shine 3. Let's move on to the Shine 4. So this is the Shine 4. I bought this for about $180. In Singapore it costs about $230. So again, it's about $40-50 difference. It's the supposed to be the more advanced version, the Shine 4, and this has dual LEDs. It has each key actually have a red LED and a blue LED, so it's not an RGB keyboard. So what happens is you can control the lighting based on the level of brightness of the red and the blue to achieve the color that is desired. In other cases, for example, the lighting, the lighting options, the wave, the aurora, the rippling effect, it's all there, it's the same, just that you can manipulate the colors accordingly, unlike the Shine 3 where it's single color. Of course, that's one of the features of the newer Shine 4. So at the back you can see the keyboard does not have the channels to route your cables to, and it's you can only basically just route the keyboard out right here. However, there is the new Ducky engraving here at the back. Not that anyone would see though. I don't know why they kept it here. And then if you look at the elevation method, it's also different, where you get the flip switch on the Shine 3. You actually get these legs that actually incline the keyboard. You can easily remove these legs by a twist and remove, and then you get a lowered keyboard. If you want a higher one, just flip it in and voila. So that's the ways of maneuvering the keyboard is different. I really don't like these legs. Some people prefer it, but what if you lose them? You know, these things are small. I like it to be attached to the keyboard. Now, one of the things that the Shine 4 features is also media switches, media controls. They don't label it here, but you can actually play, stop, forward, backtrack with the media keys. Just have a quick glance at the Shine 3. Yes, it does not have the media controls, and that's about it. That's the key difference: the LED lights, the media controls, yeah, and a cooler backplate probably. Why I got this was because it has the blue switches, which I like, and the Shine 3 is ran out of stock for the blue switches. If you ask me, I would have gone straight for the Shine 3 given a choice. Shine 3 blue switch, say $50. $50 for just one more LED light and the Ducky logo at the back. Just doesn't cut it for me. I'm okay with just one single light, and I don't want to pay $50 more just to get one more light, unless it's RGB though. So if you want a value for money, go for the Shine 3. If not, you can buy the Ducky Zero if you're using it. You want a very subtle mechanical keyboard. I really don't like that they don't have places to route your cables on, and I really don't like the method they use to attach the legs, because you might lose them. The Shine 3 is definitely much better in terms of these things that I mentioned earlier. Other than that, the media control features I can live without. Also, the other key difference is the Shine 3 spacebar is actually RGB. Only the spacebar has the red, the blue, and the green LEDs. The Shine 4 has made it slightly different. All the keys are having red and blue only. So with the price difference and the pros and cons, I would have gone for the Shine 3. So this time around, the Shine 3 will be used by my brother with the red switches, which is his favorite. Then I would use the blue switches, Zero and Shine 4. So that concludes my review of the Ducky keyboards. Not exactly a review, but next time you're planning a trip to Taiwan, be sure to head down to grab one of these keyboards. Depending on what you like, it's 80 bucks, 130 bucks, 180 bucks. So go for the Shine 3 if it's still available. If you ask me where to get it, go to the Guanghua IT district. It's accessible by the metro, walkable distance. It's sort of like the Sim Lim Square in Taiwan, a full building of all the IT shops, and there are also small streets, IT little streets, that you can get your motherboards, your keyboards, gaming mouse, etc. Ducky is a Taiwanese brand. It's manufactured there, so it's definitely cheaper there. So next time you head on down looking for a mechanical keyboard, be sure to head down to the Guanghua IT district. Look for a gaming shop. Majority would carry them. Yeah, I hope this review helps, and look forward to showing you guys the next video of the loots and my purchases, whether it's good or bad. Yeah, so remember, I get cheated so that you don't. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Please do also like my video. It motivates me a lot to do more videos for you guys, and I'll see you next time. Paul here, aka Paulabusa, signing out. Ciao.